2026 question. The number of solutions of the equation 2x plus 3 tan x equal to pi, where x belongs to this closed interval minus 2 pi comma 2 pi minus, this is under curly bracket, plus minus pi by 2 comma plus minus 3 pi by 2 curly bracket closed, means these points has been removed from this interval. Actually you can understand like that, tan x is not defined at these points, so we are not considering these points, we cannot consider these points, so doesn't matter, we will concentrate on this and we will solve this by graphical method. Okay, for that we just write the given equation as 2x, sorry, it should be here, 2x plus 3 tan x equal to pi. We will keep trigonometric function on one side and remaining things on the other side. So in this way you can do tan x equal to pi minus 2x upon 3, and all these we will assume it as a y. Okay, say now what we will do, the trick behind this is this, that we will draw the graph of y equal to tan x and y equal to pi minus 2x upon 3, and the intersecting point will give you the number of solutions. So this is the trick. So first of all we'll draw the graph for y equal to tan x. So let us see, you just draw the x and y axis, this is your x axis, this is your y axis, and you just select your points as pi by 2, your pi, your 3 pi by 2, up to 2 pi you have to consider, here also minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. And for tan x, you know, pi by 2 at point, its value is infinity, so it is not defined. So we will just draw a dotted line through pi by 2, okay, also through 3 pi by 2, because at 3 pi by 2 also pi plus pi by 2 tan, it is not defined. Here also minus pi by 2 also it is not defined, so we'll draw a dotted line. Asymptotes, it is known as asymptotes basically. And other points, tan 0 0, so at x equal to 0 this tan x is also 0, so your graph will be like this for tan x. Okay, for tan x you know already all this. Okay, your graph will be like this, here also your graph will be like this, and for this point up to this will be like this, here also your graph will be for tan x like this, and here your graph will be like this. Okay, this is for tan x within range minus 2 pi to 2 pi plus 2 pi. Now we will draw the graph of your this point y equal to pi minus 2x upon 3. So very simple, you just, when we put this simplification, just see by the simplification that when y is 0 then x will be what, x will be pi by 2, and when x is 0 then y will be what, pi by 3. This is for which equation we are talking about, this one. Okay, so x is pi by 2, y is 0, that point you have to consider. So your point is this, x is pi by 2 and y is 0, you just write it also, pi by 2 and 0 for the line, and x is 0, y is pi by 3. Now pi by 3 is nothing but 3.14 upon 3, which will give you 1 point something. So if you take this point as pi by 4 is 1, so this suppose this is point 1, so 1 point just above that. So this point we will consider as x is 0 and y is pi by 3 point. Okay, so now I will draw this line. For the drawing, I will draw this line. So you can see that we just like this. Okay, so in this way you can see that this line is crossing this graph at how many points. Clear? That is the solution. This point it is crossing, this point crossing, this point is crossed, this point is crossed, and this point is crossed. So how many solutions are there? 5 solutions are there. So you will write 5 solutions. So which option it is? Option B is correct. Option B correct. Okay, thank you.